Alrighty guys, another Ballistic Products unboxing, and yeah, my voice is a little messed up right now, kind of under the weather, but nothing serious. So, just a little one here. We got some TPS 10 gauge unslit wads, some 16 gauge Shadad Halls, brand new primed. Those are blue. This was the first brand new primed haul I ever bought about 3 years ago when I started loading. Those are the first hauls I ever bought. Glad to see those in stock again. Some TPS 12 gauge 3.5 inch wads, unslit. A little out of focus there, but we're not too concerned about it. Another bag of those hauls, same ones. And I already have this sitting out. Can of original buffer. I got another package about 2 weeks ago from Ballistic Products, and that one I had some LBC 50 wads, a brand new can of mix number 47 buffer. Love this stuff, it's my favorite. Those TPS White Lightning wads you see right here, got those. And I also got these HP28 1 ounce Magnum wads. Now, I also use these in 24 gauge. I take a nitro card, for 24 gauge, set it right over top of the powder, and put this right on top of it, and give it a roll crimp, or I just pinch the gas seal out with a pair of pliers, because we have a pretty generously sized over powder cup on these right here for the gas seal. So I pinch them out, and that lets me load 1 ounce with a bolt crimp if I want to in 24 gauge. Check this mess out. Now, one last thing I got in that other shipment was a 410 roll crimp tool, but currently it's at Josh's house because he's loading up some 410, so I can't show that to you, but, it's just a roll crimp tool. They look like this, but imagine a lot smaller. This one's for 10 gauge. Daisy likes the blue hulls too, don't you, Daisy?